Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to block someone on Facebook. Block anyone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Facebook apps. Tap on this. You can see a search option. Tap on any contact, select. After that, tap on three dot icon. You can see that more option: auto call, video call, see friendship, report problem, help, block, search and share profile. Tap on block icon. Tap on block. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.